What's up, though? Welcome to Your Nightmare with Wesley's World. Welcome back to YouTube. Okay, today we're gonna check it out. That one. All right, are you guys ready? You guys ready? No. Let's do it.
It's crazy. There's like
Wait, the kids. Oh, hold on.
garbage. Look at this table. Yeah, no one's out here right now. I don't think you're allowed to. I'm gonna go back inside and pull the fire alarm, so I do not have to do the test.
He said it, but he said to pull a fire alarm. Don't pull a fire alarm. Don't. Do not pull a fire alarm. That's bad. My dad is taking. Your dad's taken to jail for a long time.
Let's get to it.
Okay, last chance.
No,
It's your
no,
honey's
not
giveaway
now, not right now,
and you
not
can
right
win
now,
this,
not right now.
this.
Oh no! Don't pull a fire alarm. He just pulled a fire alarm.
Oh shoot!
Guys, Leland just pulled a fire alarm. I hear it.
Oh no! This is not good.
Oh no! I see a playground. This is not good. God, guys, this is not good. Someone chase Leland. Guys, this teacher's mad at Leland. Okay, let's do it.
Oh shoot! Oh! Oh no!
This guy.
Go to school as they're kicking and screaming every day now. I can't deal with this.
That's
anyway,
not
I'm back
good.
home, and I'm gonna go chill.
He
in
pulled
my
a fire
massage
alarm.
chair.
Alright, guys, so.
Now at the bottom of the hill, should be getting off his bus. Right now. Oh, there he is. He's already down there.
He's in the bus.
Running a little late. So, yeah.
He's in the bus.
Not happy with him.
He's in the bus
But
right
this
now.
crap has got to stop.
Oh, he's bad. He's so bad.
Quit on your face. Get in the car right now. I was gonna say van. I'm used to you getting in the
Then
van.
your mom's gonna
Get in
mad
the
at you.
car.
She's
Why?
gonna cook
We're gonna have a
spaghetti.
talk.
I've watched before.
I was gonna try to pick you up at the bottom of the hill because I'm mad at you.
Yeah, mad at
We're gonna have a
Leland.
conversation here.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching about Wesley's World and Leland pulled the fire alarm. I see you there. Bye.